Hello everybody, we're looking here at the Asus Vivo Tab RT and also at the Asus Vivo Tab RT mobile dock. I'm gonna go over some of the specs and then we're gonna unbox it, and I'm gonna give you a tour around both devices. So as far as the specs, the operating system is Windows RT, comes with Office Home and Student 2013 RT Preview. The display is a 10.1 inches WXGA 1366 by 768 screen, Super IPS Plus, multi-touch support. The CPU is an NVidia Tegra 3 quad-core 1.3 GHz. It comes with 2 GB of RAM. It comes in 32 GB of storage and 64 GB. This particular unit is a 32 GB storage. It comes with a 2 megapixel front-facing camera and an 8 megapixel rear camera with autofocus and flash. As far as the audio, it comes with stereo speakers. It also comes with one combo jack headphone and microphone, 3.5mm. It comes with one micro HDMI port. It comes with one micro SD card reader. And it comes with one USB 2.0 port. As far as the battery life, the tablet alone, it's supposed to last about 9 hours. The tablet with the dock, it's supposed to last about 16 hours. As far as the weight of the tablet, it's 525 grams. The weight of the dock, it's 538 grams. And the weight combined between tablet and the dock, it's 1,036 grams. So those are the most important specs. Now we're gonna go ahead and unbox it and give you a tour around. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the tablet first. Let's see what's in the box. Comes with the charger. This looks like it's some instructions and a wipe to clean the screen. Here's a USB charger, and then also comes with an extension to it's a USB port or extension. Let's remove this plastic. So here's the tablet, guys. It looks really amazing. Beautiful display. Super light. Here's the back. aluminum brush. On this side here we can see the speakers. Here's the other speaker on this other side. We have the 8 megapixel rear camera with flash. On this side, I believe this is a release from to release it from the dock. This looks like the power button. On this other side, this looks like the volume rocker and the 3.5mm jack and microphone. On top, that looks like a microphone. Another microphone here, and looks like this is the power button. On the bottom, here's the one on this is the connector for the charger, and also the dock. So let's go ahead and unbox the keyboard. Let's see quick what's in the box. Just instructions. This is just plastic, there's nothing here. Let's remove this plastic. Beautiful material, beautiful aluminum brush too. It feels really nice. Really light. Here on the side we have the connector for the charger. On the front we don't have anything going on. On this side we have a USB port. Nothing on the back. Let's see if we can put it together. There you go. Looks beautiful. Really light, really thin. It's actually powering on right now. Just to give you an idea in terms of size, here's my Acer Aspire one 756 11.6 inches. So as you can see, the Asus looks really compact, really portable. Here from the side, from the back, so that's it for right now, guys. Asus Vivo Tab RT Windows 8 10.1 inch screen with the dock keyboard. Feels super light, really nice material. Thanks for watching, guys.